Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Firstly, I hope everyone had a great Christmas. This is an unplanned vlog of 25th December. So today we are going to put some glimpses on how we had celebrated Christmas. We bought our first Christmas tree. The day had started by unpacking the tree. We got it from Amazon. It was decent enough for the purpose. We had planned so many things. We were all very excited for the decoration. Since childhood, we would wonder a tree in our house, and it is finally here. It was not a big one, but we loved it, and it was enough to provide the Christmas vibes. We both started decorating, and truly it was the most fun time of the day. Partho and I was fighting with the decorating materials. His favorite was one the Santa stick, and mine was a Santa, of course. Let's see the outcome of 1 hour of decoration. Then I started baking some cheesecake. I'm not showing in details here as I was baking it for the first time. I used ready-made cream cheese and digestive biscuit for the base. Cheesecake is very costly outside and I love cheesecake, especially the blueberry ones. So thought of to give it a try. And everyone loved it, especially my father and Partho. We planned to eat outside and dinner was planned by homemade food. We went to Mangalorean restaurant to taste some authentic Mangalorean cuisine. We kind of love South Indian biryani. So Kori Reti is basically a dosa is my favorite, and they had some nati biryani. The best part was the banana leaf which they served as a plate. As we returned to home, and then Partha told, let's go somewhere or a church which is less crowded. Then we just got ready and we went to a lake nearby. This was so peaceful, bird chirping, almost saw 4 to 5 kinds of birds, which is rare to see. The lake was known for over 200 kinds of birds to watch during winter, but now it's very rare to see. So in Google Map, there was a church in 1.5 kilometer. So we thought of visiting there. And it was very less crowded. So we went inside the church. It was the most amazing part of the day, reminding me of my childhood days. When we came back, me and my mom started prepping up for the dinner, and Partha grilled some chicken for starter. The most awesome part was the donuts freshly made by my sister. Each and every items were really tasty. We ended the day by having dinner together, and as you can see here, so me and my father, my mother, sister, me and Partha, we all had the dinner. It was like all the items were cooked at home only. So this is it for the video. We'll be back with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay positive, stay humble. Bye.